everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing some spring decorating in my living room, and it is about time that I changed up my decor a little bit. I've already like cleaned and have like a clean slate right now, which is like super exciting because usually I have to take everything down, and I was like, you know what, nope, I'm gonna be doing some decorating today. Also, this video is gonna be sponsored by Dimensions today. I was super excited to work with this company. This is what it looks like when you receive it. So I am gonna show you a little bit about this. Dimensions is a personalized home fragrance site, so you go online and you can choose from many different scents and they personalize a scent for you. So you focus on the room that you want to do, and I did choose kitchen to start with, but then I ended up choosing my living room, and then I just like it for the delight, so I chose delight, and there's like nature, wellness, etc. And then you can pick 3 of your favorite fragrances. I love all the sweet scents, so I ended up choosing berry, pie crust, and then the sweet scent. But there's lavender, musky, powdery, I mean all sorts of different kinds. Spicy I think would probably be a really great one, but I really wanted something that would freshen up my house and have like some unique like spring feel and spring smell to it. So that's why I chose what I did, because I really wanted something that was like spring, and I think berries, like when I think berries I think of like spring and summertime. So I was really excited. And then they show you how they craft your scent. They also have 3 different colors of diffusers you can choose from. I just liked the dark wood, but this is what the box looks like when you receive it in the mail, and I absolutely love this little diffuser. The best thing about it is that it comes with batteries instead of having to plug it in. So I absolutely loved that, because then you can put it anywhere in your home. And then it also comes with 3 of your personalized fragrances, so it lasts for quite a while. The setup on this is super easy. It just takes 3 AA batteries, which it comes with, and then on the other side you just take your little oil and just pop it in, and then you put the cover right on. And then there's 3 different levels, so there's like a low, medium, and high, so you can choose how much mist you want to come out. Also, they also have a subscription where they will send you refills every 2 months on your personalized fragrance. But if you'd like to check out Dimensions, I will leave their links in the description box below along with a promo code. And now on for the spring decorating of my living room. So I like to throw everything in a pile to see what I have and things that I just don't want and probably will not use again. But I did want to just change the blanket out in this. It's been driving me crazy lately, and I know it looks all Christmassy, but we still use it. But I just thought that maybe I could just put it in the closet and get it out of the way and get like a spring color blanket in. And a lot of this decor I did make this year, so I will leave the links to that in the description box. But I love this little lavender planter. I made this with Walmart flowers and things from the Dollar Tree, but I absolutely love it. And you can kind of bend everything the way you want it. I know it was kind of squished, but I just kind of left it there for now. And then I kind of pull a lot of things out of my other rooms because I really don't like buying things every single year. I know that might sound like, oh my gosh, you don't like shopping, but no, I just think that it kind of starts to clutter your house up. And then I really like the things that I already had, and I did buy a lot of things from Target last year, so I did want to use those. I like when you can get things on clearance and do like the 80% off, so I did want to use a lot of that stuff I also purchased last year.
It's only once this weekend. You keeping busy, always things to do. Our situation still undecided. None of us knows what we wanna do. It happened last week when I stopped by your...
I think this area of my living room is always super hard to decorate for because it's right in front of a window, so I can't really lean anything against the windows, obviously. But I have this tray that I love putting here, and I love my white pitcher, so I always leave it there as well, along with a lantern. But it's so hard decorating this tray, so if you guys have any types of tips for me on how to make this tray more full, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear it, and I would love to like find something that just makes this really full. I know I have a lot of smaller things in here, but I loved them because I made most of them, so it makes me super happy being able to use things that I made. And then these little eggs, those came from Hobby Lobby, but I'm sure you could make moss eggs too, but I really thought these were cute, and I bought them last year at Hobby Lobby.
My hands were shaking when I rang your bell, and out of all the things we thought could happen, we ended up naked in your bed. If you show me this, I'll give you that. Everything we ever wanted, and this, for what it's worth, give it a try. But if we stay like this, then you know what? Then I don't wanna seize the moment. So let's, for what it's worth, give it a try. We can stay up.
And then I'm just adding some decor right next to our TV. I will do like a whole like spring house tour if you want, so I will tell you where everything is from. But these are the little bunnies I got from Target last year, and I think I only paid like $1.30 a piece for them. And then now I'm just putting our big bunnies out. I am also like decorating for Easter on top of spring, just because I have 2 little girls and I know that they love Easter. But I bought these the first year I moved in, and they are so scraggly and kind of falling apart, but I love those big bunnies. And then what is decorating if you don't have a couple spring pillows? And I love the way those look as well, and it just kind of brings out just a little bit. So even if you don't have a ton of home decor to decorate with, just grab a couple pillows and you'll be good. And I ended up putting the Dimensions diffuser right here by our front door so everybody can smell it as soon as they walk through the door. And like I said, this thing smells so amazing. It smells like you're walking through like a raspberry patch or a bakery or something like that. I absolutely love it. It makes my house smell amazing. And I love it most because if you have small kids, if they pick it up and grab it, like it's not that big of a deal, which I thought was amazing. But you guys, that is it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. And like I said, make sure you check out the Dimensions a diffuser. I will leave their link in the description box below, so you'll be able to check that out. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Like if nothing matters, you can hold